लेडीज तैयार हो जाइए अपनी चेस्ट मसल्स को टोन करने के लिए, उन्हें एक नेचुरल लिफ्ट देने के लिए, क्योंकि आज का हमारा वर्कआउट टारगेट करेगा आपकी चेस्ट मसल्स को। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आज का वर्कआउट और भी स्पेशल है क्योंकि ये हमें कराएंगी हमारी सेलिब्रिटी ट्रेनर, जो एक प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर और इंटरनेशनल बॉक्सिंग प्लेयर हैं, आकांक्षा।
Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha. I am an international boxing player and a fitness and boxing coach. So today I am here to share a chest workout with you all. So I hope you're going to like it and let's get into the video. Alright, let's start with the first moment of the mobility, which is really easy. You just need to open your chest like this and feel your chest muscle. And they are activating at the back. Your scapula is retracting, so keep going guys, and this is called chest opener. Alright, let's move towards the next movement, the second movement of mobility, and this is chest opener close elbow, which is more for your shoulder and deltoid. Keep your elbow close to your body, thumbs outside, and open your chest. Keep going. And now the third mobility we have is arm circle. So keep your elbows soft and feel your shoulders and keep rotating, alright, and 15 seconds each side, clockwise 15 seconds and anti-clockwise for 15 seconds. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने फोर्थ मोबिलिटी की तरफ। यहाँ हमें चाहिए एक हैंड टॉवल एंड होल्ड द हैंड टॉवल लाइक दिस. यू नीड टू स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, legs hip width apart, and hold the towel at your shoulder level, and from here lift and take it over your head. You will feel proper engagement of the shoulder girdle here, so keep going. Alright guys, now let's move towards the last moment of the mobility, which is scapular retraction and protraction. Open your chest and retract your scapula, and then hunch your back, touch your knuckles to each other and protract your scapula. This is how we'll go for this moment, and keep going.
ओके तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं पहली मूवमेंट हमारे मेन वर्कआउट से, जो कि है वॉल पुशअप। एंड दिस इज़ द ईजीएस्ट अमंग ऑल, एंड यू नीड टू स्टैंड स्ट्रेट facing the wall and place your palm in line with your chest and take 2 small steps back and push your whole body towards the wall and keep engaging your chest, arms, core, glutes and legs, and toes are playing important role here, so keep activating them and keep going. तो अब बढ़ते हैं हम अपने अगले मेन मूवमेंट की तरफ, जो कि है पुशअप। येस, द नॉर्मल पुशअप। आप में से बहुत लोग होंगे जिनको ये लगता होगा कि हमसे पुशअप नहीं होता है, क्यों नहीं होता है। आपने ट्राई भी किया होगा बहुत बार। सो लेट्स मेक इट ईजियर फॉर यू देन। ऑलराइट, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। वी आर गोइंग टू गो अप एंड डाउन। वेरी वेल डन। सो यहाँ पे हमें शुरू करना है हाई प्लैंक पोजिशन से। Your palm has to be under the shoulder level. Your body has to be in one straight line. Make sure कि आपका spine straight हो, कोई hunch ना हो या कोई arch ना हो आपके back में. And from here you need to activate your palm and your toes at the same time. Alright? जो हमारे upper body का weight है waist तक, वो हमारे palm को lift करना है, and जो lower body का weight है वो हमारा toe assist करेगा हमें उस बॉडी वेट को ऊपर लेकर आने में। और एट द सेम टाइम यू नीड टू सिंक, आपका लोअर बॉडी और अपर बॉडी साथ में ऊपर आए और साथ में नीचे जाए। Let's get into the position for chest press. We are going to use those water bottles, alright? I am using 1 liter each. If you want, you can use 500 ml. Lie down on your back, keep your back straight, alright? And from here, bend your knee and hold the water bottle. Make sure कि आपकी grip tight है और आपका wrist activated है, straight है, alright? And from here, extend your elbow towards ceiling and then bend down. And keep going, go slow, and do not forget to breathe in and out and keep going. अब हम बढ़ते हैं अपने अगले मोमेंट की तरफ, जो है फ्लाई। एंड फॉर दिस यू नीड टू लाई डाउन ऑन द मैट अगेन एंड योर बैक हैज़ टू बी स्ट्रेट। यहाँ से आपको अपने नी को बेंड करना है और आप अपने बॉटल्स को हाथ में पकड़ेंगे एंड योर ग्रिप विल बी फेसिंग ईच अदर। और यहाँ से आपको अपने आर्म्स को साइडवर्ड्स मूव करना है एंड देन अगेन कम बैक टू द स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन। सो दिस इज हाउ वी विल गो विद दिस मूवमेंट। Okay, let's start the cooling down stretches now. Is real delt stretch. Hold one arm with another and look opposite. Keep holding and feel the stretch. And after finishing one hand, go to the other one and keep holding. We are moving towards tricep stretch. Extend one hand and bend behind your head and push the same elbow with another and keep holding. After completing one hand, hold the other one and keep holding. Next is deltoid circle. This time you have to go very slow because we are cooling down, not warming up. And for few counts we'll go clockwise, and for few counts we'll go anti-clockwise. And keep going. And last we have wrist stretch. Extend your arm and fingers facing downwards, and hold from the other hand and fingers upwards and stretch. And now change the direction, fingers facing upwards now. After finishing this, go to the other hand and complete the same way and keep holding. First we have scapular retraction. For that you need to stand tall and straight and place your dorsal side of your palm on the lower back and retract your scapula for a few seconds and keep holding. Next we have shoulder retraction. Interlock your palm and place behind your head and retract your shoulder and hold here for some time. The third stretch we have latissimus dorsi stretch. You have to interlock your fingers again and stretch your arm. ये आपको back, glutes and hamstring पे ज़्यादा feel होगा. Hold here for few seconds. Let's move towards the next stretch, which is pectoral stretch. Extend your arms back and interlock. If you are comfortable here, then you can bend down. Please maintain your balance and hold here for some time.
I hope you enjoyed this workout, and we will be back soon with another video like these. And till then, take care. Bye bye.